Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we're gonna make sugar cookies. These cookies are buttery, rich and flaky. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. For the ingredients, you will need all-purpose flour, cream of tartar, sugar, baking soda, eggs, confectioners sugar, vanilla extract, vegetable oil, and butter. First things first, combine flour with baking soda and cream of tartar and give it a good whisk. In a separate bowl, beat together the butter, vegetable oil, and sugar. Once combined, add confectioner's sugar, vanilla extract, and 1 egg. Beat well until combined. Add another egg. Mix until well incorporated. In 2 additions, add flour mixture to the butter mixture. Beat until just combined. Keep in mind, guys, every time you beat in flour, make sure your mixer is on 1 or on low. Otherwise, you'll have flour fry everywhere. It happened to me, guys. Stop the mixer and scrape the bowl. Add flour and beat well until just combined. Do not overmix. Okay, now our cookie dough looks good. Now we're gonna portion it. Next, we're gonna drop dough by a rounded ice cream scoop onto parchment lined baking sheet. This recipe, guys, yield 2.5 dozens. I got this recipe from an Amish lady named Lydia in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Immediately after I took the first bite, I asked for the recipe and she said, sure, why not? So right now we filled 2 baking sheets. We're gonna bake the cookies at 375 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. The cookies are out of the oven. Now we're gonna remove them to wire racks to cool completely. Look at those beautiful golden edges. I can't wait to munch on them, guys. These cookies are so rich. They are ultra chewy with crispy edges. Look at the crust, guys, that golden crust. They are soft and puffy. If you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. If you are new to Mama Bui's Kitchen, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.